This is a hotel room review of room 3260 in the Aria. So as you walk in, go ahead and cut some lights on. You got your light switch on the wall. So then you have master lights on and off. You got your service, and then you want privacy. You push this button and the light comes on the outside of the room. So we're gonna start in the bathroom. So it's a pretty good sized bathroom. So let me cut these off so I can show you. So you have a small night light that stays on all the time. The first switch turns on your upper lights and the lights for your shower and bathroom and tub. The next light turns on the lights on the side of the mirror. So it's a lot of light in this bathroom. You have his and her sink. They can use some body lotion, some glasses, soap, some towels, hair dryer. Smooth through this door. You have your bathroom with a telephone and some artwork and a vent. As we move over, you have your shower and tub combo. They're both in one little section. And they give you body wash and shampoo and conditioner. And then you have a pretty heavy wooden door to close the bathroom off. So as we move over, have a little desk here or storage table here. You have a closet with some hangers and a luggage rack. More storage. As we move over, you have another closet with a safe, ironing board, some robes, and another luggage rack. You have a full-length mirror. As we move over, you have the controls for your shades. So you can open them, stop, and close them. So as they're opening, I'm going to continue to move around. You have your HVAC control. You have a door to your adjacent room. You have a desk with a single chair, a little pad, another telephone, little lamp, 50-inch TV. You have your media plug-ins, HDMI. You got your USBs, you got a plug-in, something for your iPods. So you got two plug-ins here. As we move over, you have a little artwork with another lamp, your ice tray. Then you have some food, which these are touch sensitive. If you touch it, they will charge you for it. As we move down, we have a mini fridge that comes stock. Same thing, if you move anything, they will charge you for it. You have alcohol, drinks, a love kit, some Patron. So this Rice Krispie treat is $13. This can of Pringles, this little can, $13. Bag of nuts, $20. So yeah, do not touch none of this stuff. So as we move over, you have 2 seats or 2 chairs with a little table in between. Have a pretty good sized window. Don't really have much of a view, but this was a free room, so can't complain too much. So as we move over, we have a nightstand with another telephone. So there's 3 telephones in this room. You have a lamp, plug-in, and more controls. So this lamp control is for this lamp. Then you have your reading lights, which is above your head. As we move over, you have a nice, soft, queen-size bed with Aria embroidered into the pillow. As we move to the other nightstand, have the same controls for your lamps, curtains, plug-in, and then you have the iPad that controls the whole room. So on your home, you just have little things that they want to advertise. Tell you the time, the temperature, hotel map. You can change the language. It can be your alarm clock. You can contact the front desk. Then you have your room controls. So for the bedroom, all lights on, all lights off. You can change the volume and the channel on your TV, your shears and blackout curtains, then your lighting, different scenes. I gotta play with that a little bit more. You can adjust the HVAC. Your drapes. You can change the channel on your TV, the menu on the TV, set your alarm, do not disturb, so the little light on the outside of the room, you can turn that on from here. Oh, let me go back again. You can also control the lights in the bathroom from here. So you have room service, takeout. So this hotel has a lot of restaurant and bars. So basically you can scan the barcode, order on your phone, and then go downstairs and pick up your food. You can make a reservation for your spa. Tell you different amenities on the property. If you want to keep up with the news, you can do that on here. They got a bunch of different news networks that you can read up on. The mini bar, like I was saying earlier, bag of nuts, $20. Cookies, $13. Gummy bears, $16. Pringles, $13. Rice Krispie treat, $12. Oh, the Love Kit, $70. Wow. $13 for a can of Coke. So then you have your guest services like concierge, transportation, special occasions. You can check out from this iPad. Then you have your cart. So you order anything from the restaurant, you put it to your cart, and you can check out at the end. Then you also have some USB charging ports at the bottom of the iPad too. So that pretty much concludes the room review of this Aria room. And then when you get ready to go to bed at night, you just push good night, cuts all your lights off, and it's just your blind. So for more Vegas videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.